If you want me to post more, you want to see my subscriber rate? Here, I'll show you right now. Watch. Look at that. Only 99.3% has not subscribed by watching my videos. Guys, only 0.7% has actually subscribed by watching my videos. If you want me to post more, I'm gonna need more subscribers. Look at this. Look at this. Only 0.7 by watching my videos. That is crazy.